This is the Developmental Assessment of Young Children assessment form. This is a form that you will fill out, but most likely do it in an interview format with a parent, or you'll do it as an observation as well with the child. For occupational therapists, we usually use the adaptive behavior form and/or the fine motor form. There's also other forms for other disciplines like speech and PT. So for the purpose of this one, I will show you how to score the adaptive behavioral one, but the fine motor form is just the same. So what you'll do after your interview and observations of the child, you're gonna go in and fill these out. What you'll do is figure out what the child's age is. So say my child is 20 months old. This means I'm going to start at item 14. So once I start at item 14, I'm gonna go to the question that it asks. This one says purposely pulls off own socks. If I remember from my interview or from my observations with the child that the child cannot do that, I'm gonna put a 0. If the child can, I would put a 1 and continue going down. Since this child scored a 0, I need to establish a basal. So I will then go up until I get a basal of 3 1s in a row. So if the child does all 3 of these and I scored 1, then that is my basal right there, and I can continue going down. So as we go, once the child hits a ceiling, which is 3 zeros in a row, that is where I end. Once I've hit my ceiling, I'm gonna go back and count. Everything above my basal is assumed to be a 1. So from there, I would count down. So that's 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17, which is my raw score. I will bring my raw score here and then use my booklet to go find the standard score and the age equivalent and percentile ranking if you'd like. As you can see, the child got a 76 as his standard score, and here it shows that that is in the poor range.